Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. We have some updates for you regarding the criminal case of Idaho versus Koberger. First, a look at the docket today, July 6th, 2026. Indicates that Judge Hippler has not entered an order seeking to possibly begin the process of unsealing documents from the end of 2024. The last court order that was entered December 18th, 2025 had to do with the months of January, February, and March of 2025, when Judge Hippler ordered dozens upon dozens of documents to be unsealed to the public, some with redactions, others without. As of this time, there still are several documents that have not yet been released from that time period, including expert reports for trial and certain of the in limine filings. What Judge Hippler had done was develop a process where he would be issuing periodic orders to both sides, asking them to submit their objections or non-objections to potentially unsealing documents, and it started from the end of the case, working backwards. June and July. And then the second order was April and May. Then this third and final order that has been entered was for the first quarter of 2025. Again, nothing yet for 2024 or 2023 or the final days of 2022, as the case was opened on December 29th, 2022. Also is nothing on the docket regarding the investigation that Judge Hippler ordered the day of the final pretrial conference back in May of 2025. The court at that final pretrial conference was very concerned over what he saw was a potential violation of the non-dissemination order. He was concerned that it appeared that there was a leak of documents that were under seal that had not been released, for example, to the public, but somehow found its way to mainstream media and was a part of a largely viewed special from Dateline NBC, a major mainstream media producer of true crime content. Judge Hippler issued 2 document hold orders that day, one to the state, one to the defense, and he asked both sides to produce information to him. That was essentially the first and only time that the public has heard anything directly from the court, directly on the Idaho versus Koberger docket. There's been some reporting from mainstream media that this matter is still progressing, and there was a law enforcement official allegedly from Ada County who was looking into this matter, but absolutely nothing on the docket as of today, well over a year since the court issued those orders. We are going to continue to keep you posted as further developments arise. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.